I am Chereddy Poojitha. I completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineer in the year 2024 from IIIT RGKT Arke Valley. I came to know about the course Embedded Systems providing by the Institute IIES through Google search, and then I have joined the Institute IIES. At their faculties are very friendly and easygoing and are available to clear our concern immediately. Placement is very strong and provide me with multiple opportunities. With their support, I have cleared my interview at Rays Semiconductors with a package of 4.5 LPA. I am happy and excited to start my career at core company. Thank you, IIES.